When we go to Paris, of course, one of the main things everyone wants to see is the incredible Eiffel Tower, and there are several ways to see it. We have seen it from the ground, from above, and from the water. We've done this cruise twice. This was Bateaux Parisiens. We decided to do our first time in Paris. We did the 1-hour cruise with them. We have done the dinner cruise, which I have in another video, I'll link at the end, but it is a whole different treat experience. One of our favorite things we've ever done. But this was just a quick, I think it was included with the ticket when we went up the Eiffel Tower. At the time, there was I think it was the Pass Lib in Paris that you get, and it included the ticket going up into the Eiffel Tower that you could get and the 1-hour cruise. So we decided to climb the tower, come down, and then hop on the Bateaux Parisiens and do the 1-hour cruise on our second day on the ground in France. And it was lovely. Although you will see there is a railing on the outside. We sat on the inside of this one. You just get a little handheld audio guide that tells you all the points of interest as you cruise along. There's no food or anything. There is an outside railing that people stand around, and be aware if you're going to sit inside that the people standing outside do not care if you're trying to take pictures. So if you want good pictures, I guess go be one of the people outside taking pictures, because we couldn't get this one couple to move, and they had room, but they would not move from in front of us. So that was weird. But it's a lovely trip. It's quick. We had a nice day for it, and we just got to see all of the sights and sort of orient ourselves to the history and the gorgeous sights along the river on the Seine River right through the center of Paris. You go through between the island and the mainland here. You get to see the Notre Dame and then come back around and get dropped back off at the foot of the tower. So it was just a lovely trip. If you have time, if you want to splurge for something much cooler, I would definitely highly recommend the Bateaux Parisiens dinner cruise, which we did. That was just, it was one of our favorite memories we've ever done. Great experience, great food, live music, just super worth it. So 2 ways to see this from the river. Let us know if you've done any of the other cruises, how the experience went, what you thought of it. I hope this inspires you to try out one of these wonderful trips on the river to see the sights from the water. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.